Hi Nes, isang linggo na naman ang natapos which is actually our first week for the school year and yeah, here are our OOTDs for the week na halos lahat galing ukay. This is my Monday OOTD, just a simple puff sleeve blouse and a candy pant paired with my heels which is actually paid by mother pero akong bumili cheese. My Tuesday OOTD naman is another pink puff sleeve blouse na medyo shining, shimmering, splendid yung tela. And then my yellow-green na trouser plus my pink black heels from GB and we're off to go. I love this outfit kasi complementary yung colors niya and hindi din siya masakit sa mata. My Wednesday OOTD naman is a monotonous color which is maroon. Nakita ko kasi yung maroon na trouser sa Ukayan tapos sabi ko na hindi usual na color ng trouser yung maroon so binili ko. Buti na lang meron akong maroon na long sleeves na pwedeng iterno sa kanya since nahihirapan akong mag-mix and match ng maroon na pambaba lalo na at konti lang yung colors ng mga pantaas na meron ako. Nung binili ko siya is masyadong mahaba sa akin so pinaputol ko muna sa Maharlika ng isang araw. Bet ko yung fitting niya and I can say na it's a nice purchase although medyo pricey siya. I also used my nude wedge heels for the finishing look. It's Thursday and ganito ang look natin for the feeling prof tayo today, Charis. I'm using this powder blue long sleeves blouse and a blue-green na trouser paired with my nude black heels so simple yet speaks elegance. My trouser is from Ukay obviously and isa rin ito sa mga pinaputol ko sa tropa ko dun sa Maharlika. In all fairness, it turned out so good naman and I love it. Ngayong Friday naman for the nude ang color of the day char. I'm wearing a nude blouse na nabili ko noon sa buy and sell and then a trouser na nabili ko rin noon sa Ukay plus my wedge heels. Noon, gustong gusto ko yung mga nude na kulay ng damit since pinapaputi niya ako pero ngayon bakit parang mukhang pinapaputlanan niya ako? Anyway, gotta go!
I've got the shoes, I've got the dress that makes me a princess, I guess.
O diba may pa-intro si Saturday, Kimi, di nyo kaya yon. Nanawa na ako magpantalon araw-araw kaya naisipan ko namang magbestida for today's video. Nabili ko yung yellow dress na ito sa Baguio Buy and Sell for only 50 pesos. Nagagamitin ko sana sa birthday ni mother noon pero biglang nagpagawa kami ng uniform kaya ngayon ko lang siya nagamit. I'm using this red na malaking shoulder bag since my subjects are all majors pala. Lastly, this is my Sunday OOTD. It's a casual one lang since Sunday for me is market day char. I'm wearing this pastel pink na blouse na ngayon ko lang nakalakal ulit since hindi ko siya nasusuot sa school. Baka mauso pa ako eh. My trousers naman is from Shopee and if you want, bili na lang kayo, char. So that's it for this week's OOTD series and I'll see you next week for more OOTD ideas. Bye, Nes!